Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to calibrate Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to calibrate your Google Maps on your phone, if the calibration is off, we got 2 or 3 ways to do that. So guys, let's follow up. And in order to proceed, first check your Wi-Fi connection or your internet connection of your phone through which you're connected to the internet and the Google Maps as well. And after checking your internet connection, you might also want to check the location services is either on or off on your Google Maps. You can see guys, there is the location. When you tap on the location on the notification bar for a moment, this kind of interface will appear. Make sure that it's turned on always when you're using Google Maps, and with that also being done, your location accuracy will be enhanced. And after doing these 2 things guys, checking for the internet and then turning on the location service on your phone, we might want to clear the cache from the Google Maps. So to do that, open the settings on your phone, and when you land over here, scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can see the apps option over here just above the location. Tap on apps, and over here tap on the app management option available for us at the top of the screen, and search for Google Maps over here. Open it, and when you land on this interface, tap on the storage usage over here, and you'll land on this interface. So in order to proceed, first you might want to clear the cache from the Google Maps and load or open your Google Maps application on your phone. With that also being done guys, the calibration will go back right to its place after clearing the cache. And let's tap on the GPS icon over here, and you can see guys, the calibration on my phone is pretty correct. But if it's still not calibrated properly, then guys, try reinstalling your Google Maps on your phone from the Play Store, or check for update. So let's do that and open the Play Store on our phone. And in order to check for update, let's search for Google Maps over here by tapping at the bottom right corner of the screen, and let's search for Google Maps. And over here guys, if you have an update available on the Google Maps on your phone, try updating your phone. That will also make your calibration of the Google Maps correct. But after trying all of these options, if it's still not working, try reinstalling your Google Maps. As I had said earlier, try uninstalling from over here and again re-download it on your device. And with that being said guys, all the bugs will be cleared out from the Google Maps on your phone and it will be new. And there guys, this is how to calibrate Google Maps on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.